Hello friends, if you want to have beard like your favorite celebrity or stars or maybe some of your friends and you don't have good beard hair uh, since birth, then this video is for you. Here in this video I'm going to talk about surgical hair restoration. So do watch this video till end, and if you haven't already subscribed the channel, do subscribe it for all the latest updates, and don't forget to press the bell icon. So, I'm your friend Dr. Shaill Gupta, and I have been practicing hair transplant for more than 17 years now. So, many a times people don't have beard hair. You know, if you are young, like 16, 17, 18 years of age, then you have to wait till the age of 21 or maybe 22, because at times beard grows late. Mostly the beard growth is determined genetically, and if you have good beards in your family, like then you'll have good beard. In most of the cases this is true. In case you have some male hormone issues like lack of testosterone or something like that, in those situations you may not get a good beard. So you need to get yourself evaluated by a dermatologist or an endocrinologist, and then in case everything is fine and medically this cannot be managed, then surgical hair restoration comes into picture. So people who don't have good beard and they had always dreamt of having a nice good shape of beard, like maybe Ranveer Singh, Virat Kohli, Shahid Kapoor, yeah, you can also flaunt the beard of your dream. So there are a lot of doubts and misconception, and perhaps a lot of people don't know about this. Uh, if we do hair transplant on scalp, these hair are like these hair keep on growing, and you can shave off these hair. So what happens when we do a hair restoration on beard? Yes, these hair also grow in length. So no matter how many times you shave them off, they'll come back again. They'll behave absolutely normally, naturally, and it is wonderful. So which area do we use as donor? Mostly if the if we need small number of grafts, suppose if there is discontinuity of this area, or maybe if there is slight gaps in the mustache area, or maybe if there is discontinuity this in the side locks and this area, when you need less number of grafts, or maybe if you have some kind of scar over here, when we need less number of grafts, we generally opt for beard as the donor. Like we generally take grafts from the shadow area from here. And in case we don't have enough grafts in this area, or we need more number of grafts, then we opt for scalp as a donor area. Sometimes, if in many patients, we can even opt for the body hair, like chest hair, pubic hair. Those hair can also be used as donor in order to create the beard. So, when we use scalp donor, there are two different methods, FUT and FUE. So, which method to choose? Well, that depends on the number of grafts we actually need to fill it up. There is another important factor that if somebody is losing hair from scalp, then he might be needing more hair for scalp. So in that situation, sometimes we do body hair for beard, and we reserve scalp hair for the scalp transplantation, not for beard. In case we want to maximize the donor area utility, we opt for FUT as far as the beard restoration is concerned, because it saves your donor for future usage. Doing an FUE and extracting maybe 1200, 1500, or sometimes even 2000 grafts, and then severely compromising the donor area doesn't make any sense. So, what are the precautions which one has to take when going for beard restoration? The most important aspect of beard restoration is artistic skills. It is even more important than scalp, because here everything is right in front of people, and anything which is looking slightly unnatural, is really, gonna make you embarrassed. So uh, the restoration work is really art, and we need to place the grafts in such a way that it looks absolutely natural, and the hair look absolutely similar to any other person who has a normal beard. So another important aspect of beard hair restoration is like some people come to me um, showing pictures of Virat Kohli or Ranveer Singh or maybe some of their favorite stars. They want exactly that kind of shape. So we do beard reshaping by lasers also. People who have good beard hair, maybe excess growth, we do the reshaping. Here, there is no need to reshape it because we are shaping it. So we can just put the grafts in that line, but artistically so that it looks natural. It doesn't look odd or artificially created. So angle of hair also are very important. The density of hair at which we are going to put these hair is also very important. In case we are extracting grafts from FUE, then in that situation, the donor area choice is also very important, because suppose if I'm doing eyebrow restoration, I would like to have thinner hair. So maybe I will take hair from the nape of neck. So all these things matter, and your surgeon learns it with experience and hard work. So now you look at this case where we did beard restoration. So this patient was interested in modeling, and he was tall and handsome, but he was lacking the beard, and beard didn't grow at all. So we created the beard. We can see this is like immediate post-op picture. We used a scalp as a donor area. We did FUT, I think around 1700, 1800 drafts we did, and immediate post-op pictures. And then you can see approximately 2 weeks post-op picture. It looks like a good beard now, even now, and the hair have grown in length. So now, like scalp hair, these hair shed off, and then after the falling phase, usually after say 3 months, these hairs start growing again, and then these hair keep on growing. You can shave off these hair like normal beard. These hair will come back again and again, and it is wonderful. In some patients, when suppose if there is a scar on the eyebrow or mustache, or maybe on the beard somewhere, the scar looks more prominent because of lack of hair. We can put grafts in this scar, and it can easily cover it up very nicely. So beard hair restoration is an artwork, and you really need an experienced surgeon to do that. It is safe, it is good, it is amazing. It can really transform your looks. It can give you the beard of your dreams, and it is a miracle. And another important thing, which I would like to highlight here is, unlike natural hair transplant, where hair generally tend to thin out over a period of time, beard hair are more or less permanent, they stay there because these hair are not affected by DHT hormone. So I hope this video was useful, and in case you like the video, please press the like button. You can share this video with your friends, and do subscribe our channel for more such videos. You can follow me on Facebook and Twitter, and we'll be very happy to answer all your queries. You can ask in the comment section, you can ask on WhatsApp, or you can give us a call at the given numbers. Don't forget to press the bell icon to receive all the notifications. Thank you. Love yourself. Stay blessed.